Hi everyone, welcome back to Nature Explorer. In part 1 of my Humans vlog, we spent plant shopping and explored the beautiful garden center. Today is the exciting part. Let's take a look at the plants I brought home and get them into my raised beds. I can't wait to get started. Starting with broccoli, I'm really excited to grow this. It's such a rewarding vegetable to harvest when you get those fresh green heads right from your own garden. Next is holy basil, also known as tulsi. It's not just fragrant, it has so many medicinal and spiritual benefits. I love having this plant in my garden. Zucchini is always a must. I'm hoping for those big yellow blooms and a steady supply of fresh zucchini throughout the season. I picked up 4 beefsteak tomato plants. They're perfect for sandwiches and salads, and I can't wait for those big juicy fruits later in the summer. And of course, 1 cherry tomato plant. These are always my favorite for quick gardening snacking, and I love how they just keep producing all season long. I also got a cucumber plant. It's always fun to watch them climb and spread. I'm really looking forward to those crunchy cucumbers for fresh summer salads. I added some mint too, but this one's going in a separate pot because, as many gardeners know, mint loves to take over if you let it. I like having it nearby for tea and some summer drinks. I'm trying eggplant again this year. I love the deep purple fruits. They're so pretty in the garden and taste amazing when grilled or roasted. And I picked up red bell peppers. These are always a garden staple for me. Sweet, crunchy, and perfect for all kinds of summer recipes. For flowers, I added marigolds. They're just not beautiful, they're great for companion planting and they help protect my veggies from pests. Plus, I just love their bright, sunny blooms. And finally, petunias for my front porch planters. They add such a pop of color and make the entrance to our home feel so cheerful and welcoming. I also got this beautiful coral bell. This is a lovely addition to my perennial garden with its beautiful foliage. Each plant was chosen with care, some for my raised beds, some for the porch, and the coral bells to add more life to my perennial section. Before planting, I like to prep my beds by loosening the soil and adding a layer of fresh compost. This gives the roots a great start and helps retain moisture through the summer. I also make sure to water the soil well before planting. Moist soil helps reduce transplant shock. If you're new to raised bed gardening, remember to gently tease the roots of each plant before placing them in the soil to encourage them to spread. For the mint, I'm planting it in a separate pot, not in my raised beds because it tends to take over if you're not careful. I always start with the taller plants like tomatoes and peppers at the back of the bed, giving them plenty of space to grow upwards. Next, I plant the basil and marigolds in between. These are great companions for tomatoes and help keep unwanted bugs away. For spacing, I try to follow the recommendations on the tag, but I also trust my past experience. Airflow is the key to prevent diseases, so I always try to keep an ideal space, but then I also keep cutting the leaves if needed, so that they don't block each other. It's always so satisfying to see the beds filled and ready for the growing season. I can't wait to watch these plants thrive and share garden updates with you over the summer. Thank you for joining me on this planting day. It's truly one of my favorite parts of the gardening journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more garden vlogs and backyard planting updates. I'd love to hear what are you growing this season. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening!